What's going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a FPGA Friday update. Guys, today we will show you how to mine IronFish with your E300 that you may currently own. We will be using an E300 VU35P model in this demonstration, and we'll kind of hit three of the basic targets for hash rate. We'll just go with stock configuration. We'll give it a medium overclock, and then we'll push the upper limits to around 740 something watts. The base actual wattage of stock configuration actually only pulls around like 200 something watts, which is extremely impressive for this piece of machinery. So stay tuned for this. And before we dig into that, guys, we have something to talk about. The Darrow poker tournament is going live when we'll be live this Saturday, guys, June 24th at 3:10 Eastern. So the 10 is when it starts. The live stream will be starting at 3 o'clock on the dot. So guys, be sure you have registered for this. If you haven't, there is a link down below. It'll take you to this Google Doc, and you can give it a read over and get signed up. First place prize is 50 Darrow, guys, plus the Darrow hoodie. Second place prize, you're going to get 30 Darrow plus the lifetime super secret membership to the super secret Discord server. Give that a check out. Well, you can't because it's super secret. Third place, you're going to get 20 Darrow. Fourth place, 15 Darrow. Fifth place, 10 Darrow plus some DERO tokens, as well as 6th through 10th place, you will get 5 Darrow plus some DERO tokens as well. 11th through 30th, you will get 2 Darrow. Now, there are bounties, guys, and each bounty is 3 Darrow a piece. Now, that means you can knock out more than one of these. You can actually even place while knocking out more than one of these. So, potential to increase your stakes even more so by knocking out the bounties. Alright, it's Yashnik, myself, Rabbit Mining, Jump Change, Dogeworld Coffee, Nemesis, Gundy, Pocket Change, Max Voltage, Hot Crypto Mining, Crypto Z, Secret Name, Basis, and D Miners. Everyone on this bounty list is eligible for you to knock out. In order to sign up, guys, you need to head over to PokerStars.net or PokerStars.bet if you, depending on where you live. Alright, and to join the poker club, you need to click Join the Club. This is your club ID right here, and the invitation code is community. Now, all of this is free play money. You don't got to pay for none of this. If it asks you to pay, sign up underneath a new account, underneath a VPN address. So that way it stays free, because in some places they don't let you play for play money, and it's only for reals. So, don't play that. This is only playing for free, but with the potential chance to win actual earnings, guys. Thanks to those FA people and the people that are helping put this on, you know, plus the Darrow Foundation, Crypt D Reams, Secret Name Basis, the Darrow community pools, and the foundation itself, as well as all of your favorite YouTubers and DCA Adventure for hosting this on Saturday. So stick around for that. It'll be fun, and let's dig in. So guys, we are here to talk about the E300 and mining on IronFish, which the bitstream is now live for IronFish. So this is going over the VU35P model, but we do have discount codes for all three of these models down in the description below. The E300 VU35P does get the best bang for buck on the discount. As well, there is a discount for the E100 and the E300 VU33P. Give those a check out down below. They do help out the channel, and we would greatly appreciate you using them, and anyone that has. You're all FA. Now, if you have not, make sure you click this little auto check, give your miner a start, and make sure it auto updates. I turned this one on, and it went ahead and auto updated itself straight out of the box. Didn't have to do anything from when actually we were running it at the facility. So just plugged it in for the first time since running at the facility, and it just auto updated itself. So we are at the current firmware settings, and we can see that by checking out all of the settings that have now been reset. and the drop down shows Caspa, etc hash, and now IronFish. This is the menu version. I'm not a big fan of the menu version. I am a big sucker of the command line variant. So you can do either one of these. It is disabled auto start by default once it updates. Now we do have the Allfather and Team Red Miner. Allfather does not have a IronFish bitstream, so just kind of keep in mind of that. So you can set your clocks here as well for the FPGA HBM clocks. You do not really need this setting right here. You can leave it at stock per the actual as you can see, the stock configuration on their main board does show right here. Got to, there we go. So that way it does, my camera does not block that. So as you can see, they have all of these cool settings set. You can just copy it and paste that. Now this is the stock settings for the E300, and in stock settings we're looking at around 134.89 gigahashes. Alright, that's at 500 on the clock, 600 on the VCC, and total wattages will be around 203 watts. Alright, so let's give it a check. I'm curious what our voltages are already actually set to a higher voltage. So we can actually go to all FPGAs, click that, and they say we can run the VCC at 600 millivolts, which is the lowest we can go, and we can leave the memory at stock 1000, change the voltage of all FPGAs, give it about a second. It says 20 seconds, but we'll head over into the miner log and we will go back into the command line section and we will copy this, paste that there, and now we know that 550 is their stock setting. So 550 is right there, but we're going to try the lowest setting possible and see if we can achieve this hash rate right here. Now, the only thing that I do not have is an IronFish wallet. So I am actually going to utilize Unminable, which there's a referral link down there below as well for this, to mine IronFish. So we'll click that, and we will just go ahead and copy. All right, now make sure that whenever you're doing your address for Unminable, make sure that you, when you enter it, since I'm converting to Solana, make sure you use the colons, sol colon your address, right? So let's try and get this bad boy up and hashing on Unminable. All right, the bitstream has been loaded and we are off to the races, and we will come back in about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll move on to the next, and then we'll go on to the last version, and after that we'll kind of take a step back and look at profitability and see what it kind of looks like at the current moment in time. Let's dig in even further. Alright, so it has been 10 minutes on the dot since this thing has been up and hashing, and we are achieving 134.9 gigahashes, which is right around where they said that we should actually be hashing. Getting about really the same amount of wattage, but this, like I said, this is before the dev fee, which Team Red Miner is about 10%. So at the pool, we are seeing 121.4 gigahashes. That is after the 10% that Team Red Miner is taken. So pretty FA. We know that the consumption and the hashes are pretty on par. So let's dig into the next, shall we? So we go to all FPGAs 675. Put this at 1000 because we do not need to change it. Change our voltage. So now all of our voltages are at 675. And now we can go into our miner and change these to 650. Now we'll see y'all in about 10 minutes. So it has been over 10 minutes on the second round here. We're running around with 650 on the clock, 675 on the millivolts. Now we do see that board 2 actually is not the biggest fan of these clock settings. So to fix that issue, it would be it'd be the easiest situation. It's a 675, and then go to one's the high airs, and you click here and you select FPGA 1. We're at 675, so probably 680 would be its sweet spot for not having any airs. And as you can see right here, doing that and so did lower down the air ratio. So just to show that's how you would fix that situation, just increasing the voltage just a little bit reduces the amount of airs. So let's dig on into the next one, which is the big boy. As we can see, the temperatures are still doing pretty well, so we can crank it up. Go 830 on the clocks as well as 900 on the millivolts. So let's get that dialed in real fast like. First we need to go to the miner. Stop it. Since we're doing bigger changes, go to all FPGAs and we were going to crank 900 on all FPGAs. 1000. We probably will not let this go for very long, but we will let it go. Head to the miner and we need to run 830 on the clocks. All right, there we go. Let her rip, tater chip. Let's dive on in. We may not wait 10 minutes on this, depending on how it is, because it's kind of warm outside. So as you can see, it is up and hashing. Temperatures are a little on the warmer side. We're at 77C here currently. And then on the dashboard side, we are seeing highest temperature is 85, which is a little high. So as we can see, at current, we are pushing 201.5 gigahashes at current settings. Now we are pulling the max amount of wattage on this bad boy at about 650 watts because the fans are fully ramping and going. So we can see our calculations here, and we are at 201. I'll put this into a spreadsheet after we're done. So team red miner. So 2015 after the 10%. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and stop. There should be another bitstream actually being released probably as you're seeing this. So maybe we'll get to test another one for next Fridays before this puppy goes back to its owner. So we shall see what that entails. But let's give this a check out, right? So at current situations, which this is for 8 cents, which is my current power rate, is 121, which is the lowest. The lowest I were getting was 121.4. All right, for 203 watts at a 10% dev fee. Or I guess here actually you don't have to put the dev fee because this is actually we'll put 1 for the pool, but this is actually after the fee. So you're looking at a profit of 1.31 iron per day, which is about $1.45 at the lowest calculations. So 157.8. Change this up to 157. And wattages was 315. 320 because of fans. We're looking at 1.6 iron per day, or about $1.78 at current standing profits after electric. Before electric, you're actually looking at 2.2 iron, or 240, or 2.44, $2.44. Overthinking that one. So for the highest amount of clocks and hashes, you are going for 2015. 201 at a whopping 750. Calculate that out. You are pulling in 2.82 iron before electric, or 1.46 iron after. That is a $3.13 in the revenue after electric. Of course, you're getting $1.63 per day. So take that in consideration. But these are the new. This is one of the newest bitstream for the E300s that is out right now from Team Redminer. Now there is a new bitstream coming out here extremely soon from K1, and you can actually you will try that out and see what it's like compared to other things. Once we have all three of those, we will do a breakdown comparison of the bitstreams for the E300 and see what is most profitable at the current standpoint. So we'll have a full spreadsheet coming here soon for that video once these other streams have released. So yeah, FA all around. I hope you all had a fantastic time checking this out and learning how to get up and hashing on the newest bitstream from for the E300s from Team Redminer, mining IronFish. So much love, guys. Peace out. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Keep your hash rates up, your watts down low. We'll see y'all next time, and happy hashing. Stay savage.